Basically, if you look at the angles, one of the angle is A minus B. The other angle on the right hand side is given by A plus B. Now note that the angles are different. So when the angles are different, we will always have to apply addition formula. Okay, there's a formula on your page 1 of the notes. Now in contrast, right, if your angles are the same, okay, for example, there's a question which is sine A minus B equals to 2 cosine A minus B. What I'm trying to say is that even though you can see that there's a trigo with a bracket that look like the formula, it doesn't mean that you have to use the formula. Now the reason why you do not have to use a formula for this box is because your angles are the same. So when your angles are the same, what you have to do is to change to tangent. And how do we do that? You have to divide by cosine. You got to remember that sine divide cosine will give you tangent. So in this case, when you divide by cosine on both sides, you will get this tangent A minus B equals to 2. Okay? So back to example 3. Now, the angles are different. Definitely, you have to apply addition formula. Okay, straightforward, nothing special. Just apply the formula first. So on the left-hand side is a sine as a starter. So when there's a sine as a starter, what you do is you're going to apply the formula. So left-hand side, apply the formula for the trigo for sine. So sine formula is a sine, cosine, cosine, sine. And the angle will be AB, AB. So sine first angle, cosine second angle, sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Now for sine as a starter, if it's a minus here, it will be a minus here. Okay, on the other side, there's a 2, right? Now careful here. Whenever there's a number in front, some students will forget that there should be a bracket. Okay, so if the bracket is always safer, okay, again, trigo, this is binomial, so A plus B, you have 2 terms here. So this format resembles addition formula. Let's apply. For cosine as a starter, the format will be cosine, cosine, sine, sine. So cosine minus. Okay, careful. This is a plus, this will be a minus. So cosine, cosine, sine, sine. I'm going to expand out the right hand side first. 2 cosine A cosine B minus